Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the VAC signature error in CS2. Don't worry. This does not mean your account is VAC banned. Let's get started. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click Counter-Strike 2. Then click Properties. Open the Installed Files tab. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the scan to finish. Steam will automatically repair any missing or corrupted files. If Steam says one file failed to validate, don't worry. That's completely normal for CS2. Now stay in the Installed Files tab. Click Browse. Open the game folder. Then open bin. Next open Win64. Find CS2.exe. Right-click it. Then click Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Make sure Run this program as an administrator is unchecked. Also leave Disable Full Screen Optimizations at its default setting. Then click Apply. And click OK. Now press the Windows key. Search for Command Prompt. Right-click it. Then select Run as administrator. If Steam is installed on the C drive, use this command. C:\program whitespace files whitespace left parenthesis x86 right parenthesis \steam bin /steamservice.exe/repair. Then press Enter. If Steam is installed on the D drive, replace C with D. Then run the command again. If your Steam is installed in another folder, such as Downloads, use this command. %user profile %downloads /steam bin /steamservice.exe/repair. Then press Enter. Wait for the repair process to finish. Restart your computer. Now launch Steam. And open CS2 again. Your VAC signature error should now be fixed. If you're still getting the same error, let me know in the comments. Tell me exactly what's happening, and I'll do my best to help you. I also had this problem recently. These steps fixed it for me. Sometimes this error appears even if you haven't cheated. Hopefully Valve fixes it soon. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.